recently acquired this Tandy 1000 TL2. When I first got it, turned it on, the 3.5-inch drive was working somewhat inconsistently. It would read a disc and then you try again and it won't read the disc. So I took it out. I cleaned the heads, I cleaned the dust out of it. I lubricated all the moving parts and I put it back in, and now it's broken worse. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe someone can tell me what the deal is. So when I first turn on the computer, the head advances all the way to the max position. And let's see, put a disc in. And let's type DIR. So it's still driving, it's still trying to push the head forward as it would, as if it had been starting at 0 sector, I guess. But the head can't move forward because it's as far as it can go. Not sure what's going on. If anybody has any ideas, please make a comment. Thanks.